ngayon sa Iligan. Ano bang gagawin natin sa Iligan?
Preparing for Marawi.
Alam niyo, pupunta kami sa Marawi. Anong meron sa Marawi? Yan ang ground zero nung panahon na medyo may uprising sa mga rebelde against the government. And today, we will find out ano ba talaga nangyari doon. Tingnan natin kung may development pa o ano. So, see you in a while.
Yay! See you in a while. We're excited.
Oh!
And of course, meron din tayo yung ating 43rd
Oh,
Annual
of
General
course.
Assembly only here in Iligan.
Yeah. Side trip ito. Side trip ito sa Higay Annual General Assembly 2024 in Iligan. Mind you, we will enjoy this assembly. Spiritually, physically, and of course, relaxation sa lahat. All works and no play makes Jack and Jill a dull boy.
Tandaan natin yan.
A dull boy and girl. See you later.
Bye.
Look at this guys. So ito na ngayon, paalis na kami. So papunta na ng Marawi. Ito yung kagabi na meet and eat. Meet and greet pala. Akala ko meet and greet. Anyway, ito nakaakyat na kami sa bus. And everybody is so excited to see Marawi. Most of the people are riding here. Ito naman yung guide natin, tour guide. Si Judge Roelo. Ito na tayo. Now, nakarating na tayo dito sa compound ng Mindanao State University. Mindanao State University is so proud to be a producer of top-notchers in different fields of the academe. Yan sila. Of course. Yan. Natural, hindi maalis yung photo ops. Yan. So we are about to go to the museum. Yan, yung museum. Yung mga typical na mga bata di doon sa Marawi. Of course, nakarating kami sa shrine. Yan, makita nyo sa background yung tad-tad ng mga bala. So dati kasi yung mosque. Yan. So ngayon ginawang shrine. That is fronting along the famous Lanao Lake, the second biggest lake in the Philippines. Yan. So, tingnan natin. Of course, may mga escort kami nung pumunta kami sa Marawi. Yan. At ito yung mga ground zero. So, this is the place where the... Ito yung celebration nila. Happy Independence. So, yan. Yan. Ito yung museum nila, Aga Museum. Meron talaga silang So, ito naman yung kanila, yung mga old pictures. So, ito yung mga epic na mga picture. If you notice, during the visits of Prince Karim Abdul Khan.
This is the donors of the Museum.
So, yeah. So, yan pala ang nag-donate si... Very good. Ito, Senator Dongmukaw Alonto. Nung bata pa ako, klaro ko talaga yan na Senador. So these are all pictures reminiscent of the early days of Marawi. Yeah. What a good culture here. This is a typical Maranao music. Anong tawag dito? Kulintang. Yeah, thank you very much. Ma'am, sayo ka. So, what a place. Okay. I can remember in college, we dance the Maranao folk dance. So, this is Whitey. And, hello. Ito na. Iyan. From Manila. Yeah. Okay, so ito lang museum nila. So, there are lots of pictures here. Ano ito? Maratabat. So, if you notice, so, Marawi narratives, the voices from the rebels, is a project of the Ateneo de Manila. So, these are typical of their time, family time. So, they play basketball also. So, these are the days. So there are lots. This is Agong. So this is what they call Agong. Agong.
Gong.
Meron pa rin tayong high school days. High school days yun na tugtog. Ito kasi yung so ito yung museum nila. Hello. See me in my vlog. Oh, yan. So, daming oo. So, dami nilang mga artifacts. So, this is the artifacts. Oh, yan. Wow. Kita nyo? These are all early days of Marawi. This is the early days of Marawi. Kita nyo? Yan. Saka this is a typical Maranao house. Yan. Typical Maranao house. Ito naman yung parang ceremony. So, Maranao Princess. Do you see it during the year? Okay. Ito naman yung bangka nila. Parang samal rin. Awang. They call this Awang. Maranao boat. No? This is Awang Maranao boat. Yeah. So folks, this is all for now because I will be taking pictures. Thank you.